Your bank account isn't broken, your mindset is, and until you fix that, no amount of hustle will save you. Here's the truth nobody's telling you about money. Money is not just math, it's energy, it's psychology, it's a mirror. If deep down you believe money is hard to get, or that you'll never be rich, your subconscious will make sure you're right, every single time. Here's what wealthy people understand that most don't. 1. They see money as a tool for growth, not a source of stress. 2. They think in abundance, not scarcity. They ask, how can I get more, instead of, what if I lose it? 3. They align their daily actions with their financial identity. They don't just want to be rich. They think, speak, and act like someone who already is. Your bank account is simply keeping score of your beliefs. Change the belief, and the number has to follow. So here's your homework. Today, write down one money belief that's been holding you back and flip it. Because wealth isn't built in your wallet first. It's built in your mind first. If this hit different, hit subscribe. Because on this channel, we don't just talk about money, we rewire the mindset behind it. See you in the next one.